Hello everybody, it's time for another video, and this time I'm going to share with you something about the health equipments which I use in order to monitor my health. I'm 60 now, and I wouldn't say I'm in top shape, but it's good to have this health monitoring equipment in order to see whether you are going stable or you are going downhill. Right, so I shall show you this equipment, which is basically one, the blood test kit. Number two would be the blood pressure meter monitoring unit, and three will be the pulse oximeter. So basically all these three equipment you can get it either from the pharmacy, your local pharmacy. The brand depends on your choice, or you can just buy it from Lazada or Shopee or any online stores. Not an issue. So it's good, like I say, it's good to have this around for you to monitor yourself, especially during this COVID, where we need some constant monitoring, to see whether, as we cannot go see, we can basically cannot go and see the doctors now. It's a bit difficult during lockdown. So just monitor yourself, get the readings, and record it down, such that if there anything adverse happening to your body internally, then you can show these readings to your doctor if you need to see him immediately. I bought this blood test kit from Lazada, and it comes with the blood test unit, some strips for testing glucose, uric acid, and cholesterol. Plus there is a test pen, a lancet pen, in order to prick the finger, in order to get the blood out. You need some alcohol swabs in order to sanitize your finger, and that's the lancet, whereby you set it to 2. The setting can be from 1 to 6. So I usually set it at 2 in order to prick the finger. Now that's the blood test monitoring unit. Okay, you switch it on. That's the glucose strips. That's uric acid. Look out for the expiry date on these strips, please. And last one is cholesterol. Look again for the expiry dates on these strips. Take out the needles for the lancet pen. Take out one lancet needle. Open the lancet pen. The needle has its own protection, so remove the protection. Be careful of the sharp needle when you insert into the lancet pen. Put back the cap and secured it. That's the needle hole. That's a plunger, and that's a trigger. Now I have a disposal bag for all the items to be disposed of after you finish doing your blood testing. Let's start with the glucose strips. Take one out. the strip, place it on the top of the testing unit, the blood testing unit. Oops, I forgot that you need to take out another piece whereby you place it at the back of that unit. This is the glucose testing unit, so you need to fix that to the unit first, then only you insert your test strip. When you insert it, check that the number on the front is the same as at the back for the glucose testing. And of course, check that the glucose is stated on the top left screen. Take out an alcohol swab in order to disinfect your finger. Now take the pen, put the plunger, and you're all set to prick your finger. Press the trigger and the blood comes out from that prick. Now put the press for more blood to come out. Then you put it near to the test strip itself, so the blood can be uploaded into the unit for testing. Okay, the results are out there. So my glucose level is 6.9. Now just clean off your finger. 6.9, record that value, and now check it to the table given for this unit, and you can see that my level 6.9 is within the range up to 7, so I'm just borderline. Take note that this chart is only for this unit. You cannot use it for other types of blood testing units. Take out the strip now and dispose of all the items contaminated with your blood. Put it into the disposal bag to be thrown away. Put all blood contaminated items into the disposal bag to be thrown away. It must be securely fastened so that it does not hurt anybody, especially the needles. It can be quite dangerous if somebody steps on it or somebody pricks it. So as you can see, it's quite an easy process to do your blood test. Just done glucose, so do the same for uric acid and cholesterol. Next unit I should demonstrate to you will be the BP machine, the blood pressure machine. Open the bag and take out the BP unit. Look at instructions on how to strap the item onto your left arm securely so that the reading will be properly done. Once you strap yourself properly on the left arm, you can start the machine by switching it on. Please wait while the machine reads your blood pressure. My reading 1350/85 and pulse 87. Usually I find the first reading not very accurate, so I do a second and a third reading in order to get the the last reading, which I think is most accurate. My second reading 1350/87 and pulse 88. My third reading 124/84 and pulse 86. The third equipment is the pulse oximeter. This will help you during the COVID if you have any symptoms of breathlessness, whereby you need to monitor the intake of oxygen into your blood, and this unit the oximeter will do that for you to check whether your blood is properly taking in the oxygen necessary for your survival. Open the clip, put your finger between the two clips, switch on again the unit, and then it'll start monitoring your oxygen intake levels as well as your heartbeat, your pulse. As you can see, my oxygen intake level is 95%. My heartbeat is 90, or you call it the pulse. That is quite good. Any reading between 95 and 100% is considered good oxygen intake level. If the reading is 95 or less, please consult your doctor, as you may have breathing issues internally already. So I hope the video has been helpful to you, give some benefit to you on how to use the blood test kit, the blood pressure monitor, as well the pulse oximeter. Now if you can get all these three in order to have it in your home to monitor yourself or your loved ones. If you do like this video, please do help me subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.